Little moose ASMR. Beautiful. Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and it's time to unbox the Trezor Safe 5. So if you guys get something out of this, smash a like button, comment, subscribe, you guys know what to do. So right in front of me, we've got the Trezor Safe 5 brand new hardware wallet. So of course, I've talked about it in several other videos, but the Trezor Tangem, those are the types of wallets that I use all the time. So in fact, I do have a Model T right here. So we got the Trezor Model T, and in the past, I have also used the Trezor 1. So these are two hardware wallets that I've used from Trezor. They are basically going to be phasing out the Model T and replacing it with the Safe 5. So if you guys want, head over to the link tree. For this video, we're going to be clicking on the Trezor Safe 5. This is the wallet that we're going to be unboxing, and I'm also going to be doing a setup video. So that is going to be the next video that comes out after this one. So definitely check out the link tree, save some money on those links. So without further ado, let's unbox this. We're going to do this all one shot. So I am impressed with the quality so far. It feels very light, that I must say. So crypto hardware wallet. Again, I will be doing a setup video for you so you can learn step by step how to set up this wallet by yourself. On the back of the hardware wallet, we've got a couple of key selling features. So we've got the color touchscreen in haptic feedback, EAL6+ security. So this is going to give you the best level of security. If someone hacks you, they're going to have to get into the device. Here we also have the trade, save, and transact. And this wallet supports 1,000+ cryptocurrencies. So if you are someone that's looking for a hardware wallet that you can utilize to the max, get the most features out of it, do things like yield farming, supporting many different assets, you're going to want to go with something like this. So let's open this up. And again, you want to make sure that you order this from the right website. So that's why I also have the link tree. Go over here, click on Trezor Hardware Wallet, and we've got quick links for you. This will save you a bunch of headaches in the future. So make sure that you're ordering from a reputable website. So we're going to open this, and first it's sealed quite nicely, I must say. Little moose ASMR. There we go. Beautiful packaging there. Very nice. Trezor it. It's just you and your crypto. Rip off cover. Store your Trezor. Very cool. So it looks like we just take that off. So I'm very impressed with the packaging. And there we go. Voila. So we have a get started sheet. We're going to be using this specifically for the setup video. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up this wallet in the near future. And this is the hardware wallet. If you guys can see there. This does look really nice. It feels very light, I must say. I like the logo a lot. Also, when you are ordering a hardware wallet, you want to make sure that you have this tamper seal on there, just to make sure that no one's messed with the device. So this one looks good. So a little messy there, but we got USB Type-C, really cool. And let's take this off. Beautiful. Give you guys some nice lighting there. And it really is a nice piece here. We can compare that with the Trezor Model T, which this is heavier. The Trezor Model T is much heavier. But I will say this feels unique. The Safe 5 feels very unique. So this is going to be very interesting. So we have that. Let's put it back for now. And we have the get started. So this is what you're going to want to use to get started, of course, for setting up your wallet. We need a sticker. Oh, look at that. So we're going to read that later. We have the Trezor. We have some really cool stickers here. I always feel like it's probably not the best idea to put this on your car or on your laptop, because you really don't want people knowing about, you know, your hardware wallets. So definitely something to keep in mind as well. So there we go. We got some nice stickers. Maybe we could set that around here. I like this a lot. That looks really cool. And we have love for Bitcoin over here. Keep that scattered. So wallet backup, you're going to have 2 paper wallet backup. So when you are setting up your wallet, which we will do in another video, we will show you how to properly back up your wallet. So you're going to have 2 of these. Put this in a separate location than the device itself. So if you lose the device, it's not a big deal, because it's going to be password protected, pin protected, whatever way you set it up. But it's definitely important to keep that in a safe place. So when you're done, keep me in a safe place, of course. So this is vital for the backup for your device. We also have a USB Type-C. So a nice little cable there. And I must say, the iPhone 13 mini is doing a good job. It's even moving the camera around for me. So a little bit of wizardry there. And the moose is getting loose, baby. And there you have it. This is the unboxing for the Trezor Safe 5. In my opinion, it looks great. I'm excited to get it set up. So if you guys are interested, head over to the link tree. I will have links down in the description below. And you can also comment, out of 10, what do you think the wallet looked like in your opinion? For me, it's going to be probably an 8.8, 8.9. I'm really impressed. It does look good. At the end of the day, I've loved using my Trezor Model T. I'm probably still going to use it in the near future, as I've got a lot of staking keys with Cardano. And that's all we got for you. We'll see you in the next video.